Hey guys, right now I am doing my lashes and I use the Ardell short and medium. Oh, you can't see it. I'll take a picture. I use the Ardell short and medium. I'm just really tired of looking like a boy and I just want to add like some spunk. I used to do my lashes like this all the time, like when I was a teenager and before like mink lashes came out. I would do these all the time. I would do them on my sister and my friends, and it would always take like basically like 5 minutes. It was so fast. So today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this, okay? So it's just pretty natural. It's not like, you know, and these are the mediums on the outside and the short on the inside. So this is what the box looks like. I'll take a use. This is what I use. Tweezers. You really don't need a spoolie, but I just use it just in case. A spoolie. I use hair glue. It lasts longer to me and it doesn't burn. And I use mascara because the Ardell lashes seem like, I get the wispy kind, but they just seem like really thin, you know? So mascara really helps volumize them. So let's just get started. What I like to do is I put a little bit of glue on the top of the plastic since this is going in the trash anyway. So put some glue on the top of the trash. Looks like that. And I feel like it works better when you let it get tacky a little bit. This glue has been open because I, you know, was doing that eye, so it's a little bit tacky. Then I take my tweezer, and I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna start with my inner. Okay, so when I do it, when I start with this eye, I start on the outer, like my right, whatever hand I'm using, I start on the right side and I go in. But then when I do this one, it helps better when I work on the inside and go out. So I'm gonna start with short because short is going on my inner. And this is how I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna put my tweezer all the way, go right to the root of the lash and then pull it off like that. Then you're gonna take the same grip you have and make sure your hands are like comfortable. I like to put them on like this because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift my, oh shit, it's okay. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift my eye up and I'm gonna put it on like that. Just like right there at the root. I don't put them on top because I just really can't see. Like, how am I gonna put that on top? But I just like to do mine like that. Under. I'm dipping it in the glue. And the thing about dipping it, you're gonna dip the eyelash in the glue on the front side of the lash. I'll show you a better picture. So you don't want to put any on the back. If there's any on the back, you can just like swipe the eyelash off. And then just put it on just like this. Yes. Go ahead, just like. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna take short and take my glue and I'm gonna scoop it in. Make sure I get like a good amount on there, and I'll wipe some off. Because you are putting this on your eye. And I'm gonna put one right here in that inner corner right there. my inner corners. Doing your inner corners is so vital for me. I want it to look spacey or look like something's missing. So I put 2 bunches right there. And I like to push up the bottom like this, just to like smush it. Now I'm gonna start with my mediums and I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure I scoop. And remember, you're going to put these eyelashes on the root of your eyelash. Like it's going to be right above your waterline, like where you would put eyeliner under. You're going to put it right above there. You're not going to put it on your waterline, because if you put it on your waterline, you'll feel it. I've been doing this for long enough. Make sure you always wipe off the excess. Try to make sure there's no glue on the back part of the lash, so that it doesn't connect with the bottom part of your lash. So you want to make sure the glue is only on the part that you're sticking the lash on. See how it looks? I feel like I made a mistake and put a short there instead of a medium, but whatever. Sometimes you might get one that come off. If it comes off really easy, it might not be enough glue on it. And I definitely suggest doing this in a mirror. I'm doing it in my phone, but it's because I know how to do it already, so I'm kind of like, I wouldn't say professional, but this one looks a little bit messy. I think I could fit one more right there, so I'm gonna put one more there. If the glue starts pulling, like when you put it in, it's like stretching or it's a little bit too clumpy, just pour some more glue on the lash tray. So I'm gonna put another one like right there next to it. I don't know why, but it seems like a little space or something right there. I don't know what's going on with that one. Let me get my mirror. This one looks like it's coming off. Okay. So, I feel like one of them are coming off. If you feel like it's sticking, like if you blink and it's sticking, if you see like a line, and it might be like a glue line that detached, like you'll be able to see it, just take your tweezers and pull it away. It's gonna be really easy. For this first one I did off, you have to be very careful, because when you pull it off, you might pull, see, I pulled 2 off. I want to put them both back on. So you see how they're connected? They're like connected now. But I'm going to pull some of the glue off of it, because the less glue, the more natural it'll look when you apply it. You know what? I'm just going to use 2 new ones. I'm just going to do these ones in the mirror just so that I know that it comes out good. Okay. You might see some like little spaces, but that's okay. That's okay. It's just like, you know, just like really natural and everything. So after, you want to let them dry a little bit. You could use a fan or whatever. Look at that bump. Oh my god. I think that's from, I've been drinking Pepsi a lot. After it dries a little bit, which it doesn't take long, like I'm doing this in real time. Mascara. Then you just want to like kind of like, you don't want to clump it up too much. You just want to add some. It's going to give it like a better look. See how that like popped it a little bit? And these usually last like about I would say like they would last like about a week or so. I mean, it really just depends on how you sleep and everything like that. And when you wash your face, just try to wash your face. You want to like just try to like wipe around your eyes. You don't want to just like go in all crazy, because at the end of the day, hair glue is not waterproof. The thing I do like about using the hair glue is that it really doesn't pull out your lashes. Like it just will like literally come off like a piece of rubber. So that is my tutorial. I'm actually going to add some just like a little bit to like make it, I don't know, look more like doll eyes. I have big eyes. 10 minutes. If I wasn't talking, it probably would have been a little faster. So you could do both eyes in like I would say like you could do them in like 15 seconds, not 15 seconds, like maybe like 15 minutes. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I know I look a mess, but whatever. I'm just sitting in my room watching The Housewives, and I was doing my lashes, a little bit of self-care or whatever. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, subscribe, like, and comment and tell me what you think. And if you think I should do anything else, let me know. Okay, bye. Oh, I also wanted to add in, the reason why I like to put them at the bottom of my eyes is because it looks a lot more natural when you look down. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna look down, or you know, if you're with a guy and he's taller than you, like it just looks like your eyelashes are growing out of your eyes. So this is why I like to do it. Hopefully you can see that really good. Yeah, so that's why. If you put them on top, you'll probably be able to see more of the glue line. And even if you're looking up, like if you're looking up or someone's in your face, it really doesn't look that bad. Then when you do this, of course you're going to be able to see it because you're doing this. But who's really doing that to your eyes? You know, it's really hidden. So, okay, bye.